guys, so yeah, sorry I look like a mess. I still need to get ready. It's at 11 o'clock right now. We've literally I've just packed up the last of the things that we needed to pack up, and yeah, I just need to get dressed, buy some snacks and food for a snack video, and everyone back there. Oh my god, look, this hasn't got better, this looks worse. Jyoti, it looks worse on camera. Camera to dekhi Jyoti? It looks worse, and I haven't been itching it. Oh my god, Arik Jyoti, idhar rash ho gaya. Dasna nahi, serious camera de vich dekh.
Camera explore karda sariyan cheezaਂ nu.
Nahi par
ice lavo kya ice?
Yeah, so I think I got ill because of this random bite, and I think it's reacting as well, because it looks worse on camera. That's what I can see, but it looks more clearer in camera. Yeah, anyways, we need to get some snacks for a snack video. We need to get some snacks for everyone at home, and hopefully find some chocolates and stuff that we don't have in England. And what else are we doing, Jyoti? That's it, Hannah?
Yeah.
Oh, we need to take snacks for our backpacks too.
Yeah, for...
I mean, at least I need snacks.
At least you need snacks?
Yeah, because teri flight cut lambi hai. Mere 6 घंटे गया और
12 hours apne same hai?
No. Yeah, 12 घंटे same hours to agge. Then I have 6 hours.
Yeah. Utte tera food khona hai?
No.
Yes.
Yeah. Chalo. Oh, it is our bag. Anyways, I'll keep you updated today, and yeah. Guys, I'm all ready. Basically, I'm still in black. I'm gonna put a hoodie on top of this, but it's Jyoti's still ironing it, so yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna have breakfast, and then we're probably gonna go out. But we've got only until, it's like 12 o'clock now, so we've got until 5, because at 5 we have to leave, so that's the situation. Yay!
How the
How do you not gain weight? Have to get diabetes. Do what I'm doing.
No smile.
हो गया?
चलो भाई मेरे कोच दे बैग.
चलो. Can we get to Queen Street from the street? Do you do fried chicken on its own?
Fried chicken munch box, right?
Yeah, one munch box.
Yeah.
Do you do just chicken? No chips?
Instead of just chicken, 2 pieces of chicken. You don't want a fries?
Yeah, so do you do just...
Yeah, we do that.
You do just chicken,
yeah.
Right? So can we get it without the fries then? And then
Yeah.
Okay. Any sauce? Which one? Barbecue? Barbecue?
So I'll just repeat your order once. So the one chicken without mustard. And the 4 of the
पे ज्यादा बस खाली हो गया। हाँ जी।
I feel sick.
You feel sick?
I feel sick.
You need Powerade?
Yeah.
Powerade चाहिए? पहले ना तू पीना नहीं सी जो मैं लिया के देता सी।
ਹੁਣ ਪੀਣਾ।
ओके और पीना के पी लिया?
ਪੀਣਾ।
ओके फिर काट के देना तुम थोड़े टाइम तक। ओके
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਦੇ ਦੇ।
ओके मेरे बैग से पता सी? You want Powerade? हाँ सारा ही पीगी?
नहीं।
सारा ही पीगी तो?
थोड़ा ही पीता।
चलो इनको लेना जाके मैं और दो बोतल मैंने कोक ले लिया तेज करा।
What's up guys? Okay, so literally look how badly my stars actually moved up throughout the journey. It's like been 2 days. But yeah, anyways, I reached home like a couple of hours ago, but my hand, look, can you guys tell? It's swollen. Like you can't see my knuckles. So see this and then see this hand. You see the difference? Yeah, so it's actually infected now. So I actually went straight to the GP. I had a couple of contract things to sort out, so I was doing that, and I went to the GP to get this looked at, and they gave me antibiotics. So I'll be starting that treatment today. And Jyoti's now in India. He left from Dubai. He parted. Oh, and our luggage is not with us. Basically, so basically what's happened is because Jyoti didn't board the flight, they offloaded both our luggages, so now I don't have our luggage. So they said they will put it on the next flight, which was gonna land at 1 and get it posted, but I've had no update since. I've only got a tracking number and that's it. Literally nothing else has been given to me, so that's another hiccup that I'm gonna be having to deal with, alongside a ton of other hiccups. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my vlogs. I mean, I tried my best, but yeah, I'm back and hopefully my hand clears up soon so I can get going. I've got so much to do, so many videos to edit, so many vlogs to edit, so many other things to do. I don't know how I'm going to cram everything in, plus work. So yeah, should be fun. But anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and comment down below. And yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram for the bum ass pictures that I will be uploading very soon, or probably have uploaded by the time this is gonna go up, that's KAUR. And yeah, until next time, stay fearless and keep going. Bye.